everyone, welcome to our live show. I'm your host Nisa, and this is our workshop. You can say this is the first line. It's the cutting department, and here is our dyeing department workshop. Welcome. This is our dye master. Okay, let's go our next workshop. This is our pattern shaping workshop. Okay, let's go our vertical injection workshop. Okay, next station is our semi-production warehouse. Let's go. Yeah, many materials here can make the production very quickly, and we also have many products having stock, so we can send out the products at the first time to save your delivery time. And another part is about the flower patterns materials. Welcome to our handmade workshop. This is another handmade workshop, the flower panels. And this is a very big order from our European customers. I will show you our showroom. Let's go. Okay, welcome to our showroom. You can see we have many flowers here. And this part is about the single stem flowers, the flower wheels. And you can say this is a flower in style. This part is 40 by 60 centimeters flower panels, and this is our flower boards and pieces. This year we launched a new items. This is a feather tree, and same color we make this flower arch. This one is a purple color. There is a also like here is my secret garden, because this is a very romantic flower door. The sink stem and the flower branches part. Yeah, maybe some people won't ask me many questions, and later my workmate will choose some common questions we will provide the answers to all of you. Just